So in 2004, less than 5% of the homes relied on cell phones. And then since then, the percentage of homes with cell phones has increased. Now, if I look at this, we're suppose a linear function p gives a percentage of homes with only cell phones as a function of years since 2004. So fit a line on the scatter plot that could define this function. So my line of best fit here, I'm just going to kind of just draw it in through there. And we're going to write an equation. So on here, what I'm going to do is go P is equal to, and I'm going to start with 4.4%. And then what I'm going to do is just figure out the average slope over the 5 years. So my average slope here, M, would equal Y2, 22.7, minus Y1, 4.4, over X2, 5, minus X1, which is 0. And then there, once we do our subtraction, again, I would use a calculator with the decimals. 22.7 minus 4.4 gives us 18.3 over, and then 5 minus 0 is 5. So my slope, we're adding 3.66% per year. So plus 3.66t. So if I use my equation to find the value of p of 6, that means the time is 6. So p of 6 is 4.4 plus 3.66 times 6. So 4.4 plus 3.66 times 6, which gives us 26.36. So what that means is 6 years from 2004, which is 2010, about 26.36% of homeowners will have a cell phone. So about 26% of homes have only a cell phone. So now we're going to use our equation to figure out what P of t equals 30. And then what does the solution represent? So on here, we plug in 30 here. I'm going to do my work down here. So 30 equals 4.4 plus 3.66t. So I'm going to subtract 4.4 from both sides. And then 30 minus 4.4 gives us 25.6. And then that equals 3.66t. Then I would divide both sides by 3.66. Which is about 7. So t is equal to 7. So what does that mean? In 7 years, about 30% of the population will have a cell phone. And a cell phone only home. So suppose we want to know when the percentage of homes with only a cell phone would reach 50, 75, or 100, we could write an equation to figure out the time from there. So what we're going to do is find the inverse. And to do that, we're going to solve the equation for t. So our equation again was p equals 4.4 plus 3.66t. And we're going to subtract 4.4 from both sides. So you have p minus 4.4 is equal to 3.66t. Then divide both sides by 3.66. So our function would be t equals p minus 4.4, all divided by 3.66.